In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in ClickUp. If you want to quickly reach out to a teammate without leaving your workspace, ClickUp makes that really simple through direct messages. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the messaging area, how to start a new conversation, how to choose who you want to contact, and how to send your message smoothly. To begin, look over to the Home sidebar in ClickUp. This is where you'll find a variety of tools and navigation options related to your personal workspace and communication. Scroll down through the sidebar until you see Direct Messages. This section is where your one-on-one and group conversations live, so it's the main place you'll go whenever you want to send or check messages. Once you've found Direct Messages, the next step is to start a new conversation. Click on New Message. This opens the message composer and gets you ready to choose who the message will go to. If you're sending a message for the first time to someone, this is the quickest way to begin. It also helps keep your communication organized inside ClickUp instead of switching to another app. After that, search for the person or people you want to message. As you type, ClickUp will help you find matching contacts so you can select the right recipient. If you want to send a group message, you can choose more than one person, depending on your setup. Just make sure you've selected the intended recipients before moving on, especially if the message is work-related or time-sensitive. Now you're ready to write your message. Click into the text box and type what you want to say. Keep your message clear and specific so the other person understands the purpose right away. For example, if you're asking for an update, sharing information, or requesting help, a short and direct message usually works best. Taking a moment to review what you wrote can also help avoid confusion. When your message is ready, click the send icon. That will deliver your message to the selected person or group and start the conversation. Once it's sent, they'll be able to view it in their direct messages area and respond from there. And that's it. That's how to send a message in ClickUp. It's a simple feature, but it can make communication much faster and easier while keeping everything inside one workspace. Thanks for watching.